Hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and other deadly disasters may be the least of our worries. As cities fall under martial law, governments dissolve, and the economy crumbles, a perfect storm gathers. Yet there is hope in the words and guidance of a universal light being known as Dream Mist. Identifying the crossroads humanity must face, she offers solutions to survive, thrive, and prosper. Knowledge is power. Prepare for the perfect storm spiritually, financially, and physically. Preparation may be the difference between life and death. Revolution, solar flares, loss of power, empty stores, looters, corrupt governments, and failing economies. These dark days are coming, but you can transform your life into one of accomplishment, opportunity, and possibility by following the divine guidance found in When the Golden Egg Cracks.